Demio, the best unknown webinar solution. Demio is a simple way for customer education and marketing teams to scale their initiatives using live streaming. If your audience has to attend a Demio webinar, they don't need to download or install any bulky software. Within Demio, you have the choice of sharing with your co-presenters up to 3 webcams. Hosting the webinar with 2 or 3 partners, the audience gets really engaged and gets more insight into the topic. Screen sharing is essential for the demonstration. You may share the screen or slide you are using to present yourself. As with the landing pages, the webinar registration page is the brand's logo. You can enable the GDPR compliancy to automatically add a GDPR opt-in checkbox to registration events. You can create a standard webinar, a group of live/scheduled sessions, or an automated webinar. You can integrate Demio in your software or connect it with Zapier. With Demio, you may express your company's identity by using the logo of your company. Use the featured actions capability to link to an offer, freebie, coupon code, sign-up page, or any other URL. You will have immersive, entertaining, insightful, and fascinating chat sessions with your friends, utilizing the real-time chat functionality. Share essential research resources like ebooks or white papers with the community, as presents and handouts. Make these easily download with Demio. Make polling webinars more exciting and interactive. Demio offers you the opportunity to keep up to date your monitoring and analytics. Your webinars are immediately integrated and stored in the cloud in HD, and you can replay your on-demand sessions. As a customer of Demio, you can refer your friends or new customers and get $100 in Demio credit per referral. Demio pricing, it begins at $34/months. It allows organizations to customize webinar rooms via custom logos, themes, and colors to develop a brand identity. Customizable registration form templates support event promotion and client information capture. Demio connects with numerous applications from third parties, including MailChimp. You can chat 24/7 with their live chat system. Click on the link in the description to read our full review.